Hello friends, my name is Nutty and I'm a squirrel. And my name is Birdy and I'm a bird. And we are neighbors. Today we are going to tell you an incident that changed my life. So let's start. Nutty's hobby is to collect nuts. And one day she collected so many nuts for the rainy season. Oh wow, I collected so many nuts. My rainy season will go very smoothly. Oh wait. Where are the other nuts? They are looking less now. I collected many. Who stole that? Did you steal that? You? Or you? Yeah. Birdy. Hey Birdy. Yes, what happened? Did you steal my nuts? No, I would never do that. I'm your dearest neighbor. Mama, the nuts that you gave me for eating were so tasty. Bring those auntie's nuts tomorrow also, huh? Pakka na, Mama? Okay, beta. Oh, so you stole my nuts. After that, they had a big fight and they never talked to each other again. One day, one big storm came in the jungle and many animals were running here and there for their shelters. Many trees uprooted and many branches broke. Nettie said, "Oh God, thank you. You saved my tree. Or what would I do in this heavy rain? How would I make another shelter? Thank you, God. Thank you." While she was saying this, she heard somebody crying. She saw that Birdy was crying. My branch fell down. My nest also broke. What will I do now? Where will my kids go? Where would I go? So, Nutty went down and took her to her house and she gave Birdy's family some nuts to eat. Nom. Birdy realized her mistake, that she stole her nuts and troubled her. Soon they became very good friends and they were very good neighbors too. Thank you. The moral of the story is be good to everyone. Bye.